Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello my people, I greet the full house. Also una dey fine. God go bless una. So una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. My people, I'll put the video more una see am. Una see this video, this picture una dey see so. My brothers and sisters, nothing wey person no go hear. This man he kpeme him wife because of say he tell am say make him wife make come bed, make come, you know, wetin husband and wife dey do. The woman tell am say no, I no wan do today. Na the man kpeme him wife. And the worst part of it, the man even dey talk say as e take happen, as he dey talk yo for here talk say he call the wife say make he come. No, una know say our country as dem take dey do, una man go get your room, the woman go get your room. He call am say okay, today make you come my side o, make you come sleep. Say the woman come tell am say no, I no dey go. I no dey come. He say the woman come carry cloth. Na the woman comot. As the woman dey go now, maybe na then na he come fall. My brothers and sisters, na wa. And wetin dis Ogbalegbe talk, Ogbalegbe say no be the first time wey the man dey do this thing. He say because as they are no say neighbor na, dem dey hear wetin dey go on. Dem go dey hear sometimes when person go dey shout for the other side. Dem go say wetin dey happen. You know? Dem say this one no be the first man wey the man dey open him hand take dey do noyajo boy warrior. He don use him hand take do warrior now. Because of say come sleep, the woman tell you say no, I no dey go. I no dey go. He still dey reach person to remove hair comot for him nose. After many years one and don dey, you know the kind woman wey you get. You fit talk to am say okay as e be now, make I marry another woman join you. The woman go tell you say okay, problem no dey, marry join me. Or make I get girlfriend for outside, no be say you come here you come dey quarrel. You go like to talk to am make you understand. They say na all the time na dem dey quarrel about kpekus and banana. They say na all the time dem dey quarrel. Since you know say your wife na so e be, you go try talk to am. You say dem get 2 children for many years wey dem don dey together. How you want now make your children come feel? The woman no wan open leg for you. Now you go dey beat am, dey take dey do like say na pounded yam. Dey pound am like say na pounded yam. Maybe now get where e go hit for e body now. You see? Na so. Who you go come tell say na because of kpekus na you come lost your wife? My people, sometimes people need to dey talk to their partner. Talk to am. Say this thing wey you dey do, I no like am. I go change o. Instead of to tell him wife say I go change o for wetin you dey do so, make I marry another wife join you, or make I dey friend another girl join you. Na him suppose to good pass. And now when don remove hair comot for the woman nose now, which eye the children come take dey look the father? My people, which eye? Because the man say dem get 2 children, they don marry for many years. Where how the children go come feel now because of give me under, the woman refuse. The woman now don be RIP. Why these things? Why they no dey talk? Why all these our people they no dey sit down make dem dey talk to their wife or talk to your husband say my husband as e come be so every day na you say me I tell dey bring this thing come. I no want every day no dey hungry me like that o. Make you if you wan marry another woman, marry join me. May I still get rest of mind, or may you get girlfriend. Na say dey talk na for good pass na. See now, because of wetin the woman don bear RIP. And now where you wan go now? Inside na dem go put you inside kirikiri. Inside kirikiri, they ask you say wetin make you come there? You say na because of under this thing wey your wife don give you. My people, una agboma ba name your man. This one na to big testing for 18 now. Now your wife will everybody know, but e still get limit. When person will tell you say today I no need am, no force am, no just talk, maybe na that day no need am. Benin say no be the day wey dey hungry you na dey hungry me, maybe that day the woman no need am. See problem now for family house. The money wey una no get na go dey find dey go wey una wan take come take do burial. The children now they don be say they no get mother again because of say the father don use im hand take kpemera. My people, e good make person dey talk to a partner. Talk to your partner. This thing wey you dey do me so I no like am o, I go marry join you o. You go marry join am, because for our place you fit marry 2 3. The one wey your hand go reach, as you family you know say you fit dey give them food. That way you go the first person say no you must give me, if you no give me na blow I wan take blow your eye, na this one I wan take do this one. My people, me I put the video more na lis ten, na do well, na bye bye.
What brought me here is between and my wife that dies. One night, one Saturday evening, around after 10 in the night, I asked her to come and sleep in my room. Then she now said no, that she will not sleep in this house today at all. She take one of her shirts and she opened the other door and run out of his room. So as she was running, she fell down. So immediately we rushed her to hospital. After some days, she died. She has been with me for 20 years now. She have 2 kids for me, 2 boys. One 19, one 12.
The Edo State Police Command, through its Erotubu division, received a complaint from one Miss Lovett, 33 years, that her mother was beaten by her husband, which led them to an hospital. But before the particular hospital took her on admission, 3 other hospitals rejected her because of the beating she received from the husband on 27th of June 2021 at about 23:00 hours of that day. The woman was on admission when operative of the Erotubu division went to meet her and obtain a statement to ascertain the actual the reality of what happened. So the woman in her statement alleged that her husband, within that hour, 23:00 hours, came to her room requesting her to come to his own room, that she should come and sleep over there. The woman said no, she is tired, she cannot come to his room. At the process, the husband started threatening her with an axe that if she did not open, he would break the room and beat her off. So from her statement, that's not the first time. Anytime she did not go to his room, he ended up beating her. At that time, she opened the window to run away. He heard about it. He heard the noise that she's opening a window to run away. He now accosted and blocked her at the window and he started beating her. She fell on the ground and according to her, he continued beating her until she could not move again. She shouted before she became unconscious, she shouted for neighbors to come out. But because of the man's attitude, according to some of the neighbors, that they could not come until there was no noise, they came and met her unconscious on the ground. That was when they took her to the hospital, and 3 other hospitals rejected her. They went to the final hospital where they accepted her. Even in that place, they have to also transfer her to UBTH, where she died on the 7th of July, 2021. The husband, Mr. Emmanuel Asimota, has been